Welcome back to Easy Podcast English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mark. Great to have you here today.
Today, we have a funny story for you.
Yes, a short, silly story about a big mistake.
Have you ever ordered the wrong food in English?
Oh, absolutely. It happens to everyone at some point.
Today, we talk about two words that sound similar.
Soup and soap.
Just one letter is different.
But the meaning is completely different.
Let's listen to the story of Arthur first.
Arthur was very hungry. Let's hear what happened.
Arthur was starving.
His stomach was making loud noises. It sounded like an angry lawnmower.
An angry lawnmower. That is very hungry.
So he rushed into a cozy little restaurant.
English was not Arthur's first language.
But he felt confident today. He sat down and read the menu.
He wanted a nice, hot bowl of mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup sounds delicious.
But then the waiter walked up to his table.
And Arthur's brain completely froze. Oh no, that is the worst feeling.
Oh no, that is the worst feeling.
He thought, is it soup or soap?
Then Arthur thought to himself, it cleans your hunger. It must be soap.
No, Arthur, don't say it.
The waiter smiled and said, "Good afternoon. What can I get for you today?"
Arthur smiled back proudly. Hello, I would like a big hot bowl of soap, please, with extra garlic.
Extra garlic soap. Imagine that.
The waiter stopped. He blinked once. He blinked twice.
Did you say soap? Asked the waiter.
Arthur said, yes, please. Very hot soap. Mushroom flavor.
The waiter raised an eyebrow. Sir, soap is what you use in the shower. You mean soup.
Arthur's face turned red as a tomato.
Oh, Arthur gasped. Yes, soup. S-O-U-P. I want to eat soup, not wash my stomach.
The waiter laughed. No problem. One hot bowl of soup coming right up.
That is such a classic mistake, Mark.
It really is. Let's talk about why this happens.
The difference comes down to the vowel sounds.
Let's start with soup. Spell it for us, Sarah.
It's spelled S-O-U-P.
And how do we pronounce it?
It has the long U sound, like zoo or blue.
Listen closely. Soup, S-O-U-P.
Make your lips into a tight, small circle when you say it. Try it with me. Soup.
Now let's look at soap.
Spelled S-O-A-P.
What is the sound here?
It uses the long O-U sound, like go, no, or home.
Listen closely. Soap, soap.
Your mouth moves from an open shape to a small, rounded shape. Soap.
Let's contrast them side by side.
Soup. Soap.
Soup. Soap.
Can you hear the difference?
In soup, your lips stay rounded the whole time.
In soap, your jaw drops slightly, then your lips round at the end.
Let's look at some cool vocabulary from our story.
First, the word starving.
What does starving mean, Sarah?
It means extremely hungry.
Instead of saying, I am very hungry, you can say, I'm starving.
When your stomach grumbles loudly, you can compare it to a noisy motor.
That is a funny simile. A lawnmower is a machine used to cut grass.
When your brain freezes, you suddenly forget what to say or do. And finally, his face turned red as a tomato.
This means he felt extremely embarrassed.
Mark, have you ever made a silly vocabulary mistake in another language?
Oh, all the time. When I was learning Spanish, I tried to say I was embarrassed.
Let me guess. You used the word embarazada?
Exactly. I said, estoy embarazada.
Which actually means, I am pregnant.
And I am a guy. The whole room started laughing.
Mistakes are just part of the learning process.
They give you great stories to tell later.
Exactly. Arthur got his soup in the end, and he learned a lesson he will never forget.